We have stayed at Hotel Gajoen at least 4 times. It is beautiful, has outstanding service and a great location close to the Yamanote line for easy access to transportation. I will continue to stay here on each of my trips to Tokyo. Dope Hotel. 7 stars to be precise. The breakfast was over the top. Yoga was not ideal early in the morning since the teacher only speak Japanese. The room was too cold to do mediation. We walked out of the class. I was finally able to experience the Gajoen, which I had always wanted to stay at. Although I hoped for a twin room, there were no vacancies, so I ended up with a double bed. I was concerned about my sleeping habits, but to my surprise, a giant bed appeared. It was a large bed the size of 2 double beds, and even when I slept sprawled out, my hands could barely touch each other. There was a spacious bathroom with a sauna, and another. I used it to commemorate my birthday. I'm very satisfied with everything, from the restaurant and location to the room and the staff's response. I appreciate the thoughtful gesture of having sweets with a congratulatory message prepared for me. I also used the executive lounge, and thanks to the staff's courteous and warm service, I was able to have a wonderful time. This hotel experience was quite a treat. It had the best amenities. Love the executive lounge access and the bountiful daily breakfast. We came just in time for the Sakura Festival on the Meguro River. Stunning in every way. Spectacular property with spectacular staff. Rooms are large, breakfast buffet was plentiful, delicious with a wide variety. We enjoyed the accommodations, but it was the staff's attentiveness that will bring us back. 100% book it. Probably most spacious room in Tokyo, spotless clean, traditional Japanese style service mindset, just love the place. I reserved the Japanese style room to bring my mother back to Japan after 17 years. My cousin was also married in this hotel. It's absolutely incredible. Very good service and wonder facilities. Each room has its own steam room. What a great luxury to have. Beautifully appointed, large rooms in hotel. Good restaurants, typically flawless Japanese service and cleanliness. Close to Meguro Station. Absolutely stunning and unique hotel in a great neighborhood. Spacious, elegant rooms and exceptional staff service. I was very much looking forward to my stay at the Gajoen, having read so much about its unique art collection, historic architecture and water gardens, and it exceeded all my expectations. I experienced the excellent staff service even before I checked in, and thanks again to Fukamura Matsu and the concierge team who helped me plan my itinerary and visits to all the main attractions, as well as for the great restaurant and eating out recommend. Definitely a must try.